There's some farting going around my chute, reaching the butthole, and I think it's very hard. Yesterday I ate my lima beans, and since then I've been grinding all my teeth. I will surrender with just another fart. I know it's raunchy, but I know we all love that. There is a strange noise coming from my butt, blowing some sound that alert me of the fact the poop is coming. I can feel it, trembling stronger. It could be a false alarm. The poop is coming, it leaves me restless. I love the feeling, I think it's coming. Just